Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be showing you a demo of the Altaro VM Backup Cloud Management Console for end users. Historically, this portal has been reserved for managed services providers and resellers, but we wanted to be able to package up the benefits and power of the CMC into a platform that could be used by standard customers as well to help them better manage multiple Altaro VM backup installations from one central console. So with that in mind, how do you get started with the CMC? Let's start by connecting an Altaro VM backup installation to the CMC. First off, the CMC can be accessed by going to manage.altaro.com. After you log in, click on Altaro VM Backup Installations in the left-hand pane. From there, click on Add Altaro VM Backup Installation. Click Next to verify your company name. Then click Next again to verify that you want to link an Altaro VM Backup installation. At that point, an access key will be generated. Click the Copy button to copy the string into your clipboard. Next, you'll log into your on-premise instance of Altaro VM Backup and click the CMC icon in the top right. You'll paste in that access code as part of the registration wizard. Alternatively, you can complete the registration entirely from the on-site location by using your CMC credentials as part of the CMC registration wizard instead of going the access key route. Once added, you'll see information begin to populate into the CMC. Let's take a look on the dashboard. The CMC dashboard is the main place you'll visit when you want a high-level overview of backup services across all installed instances of Altaro VM Backup. Here you can see current activity across your install base in real time. You can view the last 50 operations and their statuses. And finally, at the bottom here, you're given a color-coded health overview of all your managed hosts. Altaro VM Backup installations themselves can be managed from the Altaro VM Backup Installations view. Here you can see all of your different installations, the installed software versions, the numbers of hosts and VMs. Additionally, software upgrades can be pushed from this view as well. The CMC will notify you when a new build is available, and you can seamlessly push it to all of your various installations. If you drill down further into a specific installation, you can manage a number of different things. You can add and edit local backup storage and offsite backup storage. Additionally, the backup encryption key for a given instance can be defined here as well. Just make sure you document it. In the Managed Host view, you can see all the different virtualization hosts across all your installs that you're providing backup services for. Here you can see another color-coded backup status view, as well as the Altaro licensing information for a given host. You can even apply license keys from this view if you're setting up a new installation, and you can push the Hyper-V host agent to new managed Hyper-V hosts if desired as well. One thing that differentiates the Altaro CMC from some of our competitors' web consoles is that instead of just providing licensing and reporting, you can actually conduct backup and restore operations from the Altaro Cloud Management Console. Underneath virtual machines in the left-hand pane, you can see several subsections. In the Take Backup view, you can manually start backups for any configured VM right from the screen, and then monitor the job on the CMC dashboard. The same can be done with offsite copies and full VM restore operations as well. Backup settings templates is the next item we'll cover. So are you sick of having to manually configure backup jobs time and time again? That's the very problem that backup settings templates were designed to address. A backup settings template contains all the various settings needed by a backup operation. This includes things like schedules, retention policies, and various other settings. Once created, you can simply assign that template to any virtual machine to instantly configure it for backups based on the settings contained in the template. This really is a great time saver when you've got lots of virtual machines to configure backup settings for. And while the CMC has all kinds of reporting functionality, that doesn't mean that you're staring at it all the time. You want to know if certain backup operations have failed or have had problems, even when you're working on other things. Now, the CMC has alerting capabilities baked in to address that concern. Alerts are fully configurable from the Alerts Settings view. Here you can define what type of alerts you'd like to get and who to send them to. Additionally, if you'd like to have more of a daily summary type of alert instead, that can be configured from the Daily Summary Settings view. As you can see, the Altaro Cloud Management Console can make managing backups at multiple locations much easier and more time effective. If you'd like more information on the CMC, take a look at our website at www.altaro.com, or you can reach out and talk with your account manager for more details.